Imagine a car that quietly became one of the best-selling vehicles in the world and keeps getting better with every generation. That's exactly what the 2026 Toyota Corolla is all about. From first-time buyers to families and daily commuters, the Corolla has always been the safe choice. But in 2026, it's also a smart, stylish, and surprisingly modern one. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Corolla looks sharper and more confident than ever. The front grille is wider and more aggressive, paired with sleek LED headlights that give it a premium, almost sporty look. The body lines are cleaner, more aerodynamic, and flow smoothly from front to back. Whether you choose the standard sedan or a higher trim, the Corolla now feels less like a basic car and more like a well-thought-out modern vehicle. Even the wheels and rear LED taillights add a touch of class that makes it stand out in everyday traffic. Step inside and you'll immediately notice how practical yet refined the cabin feels. Toyota has focused on comfort, usability, and quality. The dashboard design is simple and driver-focused. The larger touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple, CarPlay, and Android Auto. Physical buttons are still there for important controls, which many drivers appreciate. These seats are comfortable for long drives with better cushioning and improved materials in higher trims. There's plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making it a great option for families and ride-sharing use. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota Corolla continues its tradition of being smooth, reliable, and efficient. It's not built to be a race car, but it delivers exactly what most drivers want: easy acceleration, stable handling, and excellent fuel economy. The engine options are refined to provide a quiet and vibration-free drive, especially in city traffic. On the highway, the Corolla feels planted and confident, with responsive steering and a suspension tuned for comfort, rather than stiffness. For those who care about fuel savings, the Corolla remains one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its class. Safety has always been one of Toyota's strongest points, and the 2026 Corolla takes this seriously. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These systems work in the background to help prevent accidents and reduce driver stress, especially during long or busy drives. For new drivers or families, this level of safety adds huge peace of mind. One of the Corolla's biggest strengths is its reliability and low ownership cost. Toyota's reputation for durability means fewer headaches over time, lower maintenance expenses, and strong resale value. This makes the Corolla not just a car you enjoy today, but a smart investment for the future. Whether you plan to keep it for years or sell it later, the Corolla holds its value better than most competitors. What truly makes the 2026 Toyota Corolla special is how balanced it is. It doesn't try too hard to impress with extreme power or flashy features. Instead, it focuses on doing everything well: comfort, safety, efficiency, technology, and reliability. It's a car that fits into almost any lifestyle, whether you're a student, a professional, or a small family. So, if you're looking for a car that's easy to live with, affordable to run, and built to last, the 2026 Toyota Corolla proves once again why it remains one of the most trusted names in the automotive world. It's not just a car, it's a dependable partner for everyday life.